have paid a heavy price. I tell you, not a single shot has been fired in the past 45 years by any of our so-called proxies in order to advance our interest. They have been fighting for their own interest, and we have been paying. Iran has paid, and we are resentful to our Arab friends because we supported the Arab cause more than the Arabs did. And we get to be blamed. We supported Palestine more than any Arab country supported Palestine. You know, I'm under 2 American designations. Why? Why am I under 2 American designations? Personally, did I kill anybody? No, just because Netanyahu wanted me to be under American designation. So which Arab is under American designation because of Netanyahu's request? Tell me, why do we have to be blamed for problems that are caused by Israel? Our friends in the region have everything to gain through cooperation with Iran.